Hi, Jennifer here with True Health for You, and today I wanted to share some of my favorite exercise equipment to use in my workouts. Now, the first one is kettlebells. Anyone who trains with me knows I love kettlebells. I love the variety. I love all the different rack positions and how you could do amazing deadlifts, front squats, cleans. I just love them. This is actually what I use for my cardio training because I don't like long periods of time, stretched out periods of time of cardio. It's very unhealthy. So if I just need to do quick bursts or interval training, kettlebell swings, let me tell you, they are amazing. I'll even on my hike, sometimes I will bring a kettlebell with me and I'll hold it, you can't see, but holding it at my side, or I'll be holding it in the rack position or overhead as I'm hiking. And I just kind of switch between the three different arm positions, and it's great. It's great conditioning training, and I like to spice it up sometimes. What else? The second one is I use a ruck backpack or a weighted backpack, and I'll take that hiking. Or you can wear it while you're cleaning the house. You can wear it when you're walking to pick up your kids from school. You can just wear it while you're walking the dog. But having that extra weight, it helps kind of create some resistance, and it's a really good workout. And I'll post a link in the description box so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The next one is I love the X3. It's a system that uses a band, it has a small platform, and then a bar, so it's like you're doing bench work with a barbell, or you're doing front squats with a barbell. It's an amazing system. I absolutely love it, and what's great about it, it's small enough to where you can travel with it. It can fit in your car, it can, the bands come in a bag, you can slip it in your backpack. It's just amazing. I really, really love it and recommend it. It's a killer workout. So again, I'm gonna put a link in the description box so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then lastly, it's just your body. It's just my body, just body weight. Especially if you haven't trained in a while and you wanna get back into it, sometimes that first week, it's just good to do body work type training. So you can do yoga, you can do, body weight squats, you can do push-ups. The possibilities here are endless. There's so many good, legit exercises that you can do just by using your body weight. You don't need equipment. And just the other day, I wanted to get an upper body workout in, and so I just did push-ups, and it was really good. So that's what I suggest. I'm sure there's many videos out there, of people sharing what they prefer, but that's what I like. So I hope this was beneficial for you. I hope you guys try them. Let me know what you think in your comments below. I can't wait to read them. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and click the notifications button so you know when I come on with a new video. And until next time.